Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you what is buy limit and sell limit and how to use it in mt4 trading platform. Now, as the name suggests, buy limit and sell limit falls under the limit order category. A buy limit is a type of order in which you order your broker that you want to open a buy trade when the price reaches a desired or mentioned price level. And a sell limit is a type of order in which you order your broker to open a sell trade when the price reaches your desired or mentioned level. Make sure you keep this thing in mind that to enter a buy limit, the current price should be above the desired level. And to enter a sell limit, the price should be below the desired level. These types of order are very important when you don't have enough time to continuously look at the charts throughout the day. And you want to open a trade at a desired level through your analysis. For example, let's say you did your analysis on USD JPY and found out that 106.720 level would be a good buy for you. So if you don't have enough time to watch the price till it moves to your level, you can directly enter a buy limit at 106.720 from your mt4 trading platform, and the trade will automatically open when the price reaches your desired level. Now let's see how to use or place a buy or sell limit on mt4 trading platform. To open a limit order on mt4 trading platform, just right click on the chart. Now go to trading and click on the new order. Now choose the currency pair on which you want to place a limit order. In the type of order, choose pending order. In the type of limit order, choose the buy limit if you want to place a buy limit, or choose the sell limit if you want to place a sell limit. Now in this section, enter the lot size, set the stop loss and take profit. Now in the expiration time, choose the time period for which you want to keep this order valid. In this, GTC means good till cancelled. That is, the order will stay intact until you don't cancel it. If you choose today, this order will get cancelled if the price doesn't come to your level on that particular day. And if you choose specified, you can enter the date and time, and in the specified day, you can enter the date. After you are done with everything, click on the place button and your limit order will be placed. The order will be visible here and you can easily modify or delete the order by double clicking on it. Now for those who use mt4 on smartphone, to place buy or sell limit, go to trade option. Now select the currency pair you want to open a limit order on. Click on market execution. Now choose the order type. Enter the lot size, the price at which you want to place a limit, set the take profit and stop loss, expiration time if you want to, and click on place. Your order will be placed. So this is how you place a buy and sell limit on mt4 trading platform.